Hello guys, ito ang Pearl of the Ocean, Mabini, Bohol. 20 pesos lang ang entrance dito, 2 hours from Tagbilaran. Pero side trip lang ito, galing ka ng campsite. Pwede nyo rin i-side trip ang Chidi Highlands. Then pag ako nag-tour dito, dadaan pa ako ng Anda, Kandihay at Gindulman. Depende sa kayanin ng oras. Magkatalo kasi yan kung gaano ka tagal mag-chill ang aking guest sa mga attractions na ito, tsaka kung anong oras sila makaalis sa umaga. The earlier the better. Usually pag ako nagdala ng guest, mga 5 or 6 attractions in one day kasi wala akong limit sa oras. Tour driver pala ako dito sa Bohol, na vlogger na rin, Danila Tagaw. Nag-i-enjoy naman ako sa aking paggala-gala. Kapag vlog na, kumita pa. So, ito yung second stop namin galing ng campsite. Medyo mainit na. May restaurant sila dito pero hindi kompleto sa ulam. May mga beer din dyan. Pwede rin magkape-kape. Kaso napakainit na nung nagpunta kami dyan. Around 10 o'clock. From here, tumuloy kami ng Chidi Highlands and then Stampa Mountain Restaurant. Inabot na kami ng gabi doon na kami naghapunan, then umuwi. Umabot na kami ng Tagbilaran 8 o'clock. So, first stop namin, campsite. Second stop, itong Pearl of the Ocean. Third stop, Chidi Highlands. Fourth stop, yung Stampa Mountain Restaurant. Sulit ang biyahe. Nag-enjoy naman yung Amerikano kong kaibigan. Kasi namahan ko lang siya na mag-rides. Nainip na rin kasi ako sa bahay. So from Pearl of the Ocean, pinaliparan ko ng drone itong Tintinan Island. Sakop na siya ng Ubay. Umabot ito ng mahigit 3 kilometers pero kaya pa naman ang aking drone. Lalo't nasa itaas kami. Walang masyadong signal interference kaya abot na abot ng signal sa remote control. Impress lang kasi kami sa dami ng bahay sa maliit na isla na ito. Nakita ko sa drone, nasa buhangin lang nakatira karamihang tao dahil mostly bakhawan naman yung green na yan. Makikita pa natin yan a little bit later kapag na-focus na. Malayo lang kasi ito, naka-zoom. Sabi sa amin, kukuha ka daw ng bangka dito sa Mabini town proper. So may maliit silang pier doon papunta dito. I'm not sure how much does it cost kasi hindi naman ako interested. Meron dito sa Balikasag, meron sa Virgin Island. Pamilakan nga hindi ko pa napuntahan eh. Wala pa akong guest na napunta ng Pamilakan. Usually Balikasag at Virgin Islands. Anyway, thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.
That good you that you never seen the needs and tears. Don't you body hits and skip it, skip it, boy. Remember the days on your breath and what you man. Remember the days on your hunger. But don't forget your roots and the counter. My better to remember your place of shelter. Cause I deal with warm and you can run far. You deal with guns and gun your neck down. Cause I don't you body hands and feet in my better now. Don't you body hands. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, skip it, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, skip it, skip school. Don't you body hands and feet, my friends and number. Don't you body hands and feet. It don't you burn the bridges up behind him, my friends and now. Don't you burn the bridges up behind him. Cause if you burn the bridges up, then there's a one thing to do. That you dance with that we surely live. Dancing on the sun. Don't you body hands and feet, my friends and now. Don't you body hands and feet, and now skip it in, skip it in, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. It's cause I chill with warm and you can run far. You chill with guns and gun your neck down. Cause I don't you body hands and feet in my place and now don't you body hands. Skip it him, skip it him, skip. Skip it him, skip it him, skip school. Skip it him, skip it him, skip. Skip it him, skip it him, skip school. Ready na ba mo makita? Serious! So na po sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa likod, may kabisan nyo ang tanan. Makitaan ba ninyo? Madunggan ba ninyo diha? Madunggan ba? I got a bag of songs from the screen going at one time.
Your iPhone now supports.
Again, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much again for inviting us here. Right. All right, the lead boy. How can you occupy boy? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Lilios, trying to
From the Bibles of people, man. Revelation and Jerusalem, Shalom. Salam alaikum. We the secrets and Jews and Muslim living together and pray. Amen. Let's give thanks and praises.